Alright, so you're going to connect to the camera that comes up in your Bluetooth. If this for whatever reason fails, you may have to restart the FLIR UAS app. In this case it connected. And then the next step, we're going to go in the upper right hand corner to the settings tab. And then you'll be on the first tab, which is the capture mode. And you're going to go down here and make sure that the flip image is on and enabled. And then down at the bottom, this is optional, but we typically turn on the spot meter. Next, you're going to go over to controller, and then there are a series of functions, PWM 1, 2, 3, and 4, of which you want to make sure that they're set up in the following manner. PWM 1 should be set to do the FFC, and it'll automatically set the state, which is triggers on change. PWM 2 is going to be set to IR zoom, and states there are going to be 3 states with low to high being 100, 200, and 400%. Next one is PWM 3, which would be your record start stop. That's a 2-state option. Low being stop recording, high being start recording. And then lastly, function PWM 4 is going to be your color palette. That's a 3-state function as well. Low, medium, high, really dependent on what you choose. You can choose from a number of selections. We typically will set the white hot, fusion, and insta alert, obviously, but you can change that yourself. That is the last of the functions that you're going to be setting. If you go back to the main window, one thing you're going to want to note is the capture mode here at the bottom. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right now it's on the single image mode. If you want to switch to video mode, you're going to click the little camera down here at the video camera down at the bottom. Now when changing these modes, you want to make sure that you're landed on the ground and your motors are turned off before you connect to the Bluetooth in order to change your capture mode. Once you're done changing the capture mode, make sure that you turn off the Bluetooth before you take off again.